What you do that for?
All right, welcome in, everybody. We are going to be getting Reborn Baby. This is Daphne. Daphne is going to be leaving the nursery. Say hi, Daphne. Say hello. And she is about to get packed in her box to be shipped to her reborn mommy. Those are her sisters down there, too, but we can't get them all in the same box. So, yeah, enjoy. She don't get no boom boom?
What you mean?
I don't know.
Crisscross applesauce.
It was easy to put her feet in, huh? Oh, you got Daphne?
I don't know. Oh. I gotta eat with it this time, huh?
I see. Yup. That's a gift for the mommy.
I'm not gonna lie. I used to watch the videos and they be doing like box openings and stuff.
On the Reborn dolls?
No, I just feel like in general, like people be buying stuff
Mm-hmm.
and they'll do like box openings, but it be something so like normal and generic, but they be hyping it up. Make you wanna get it.
Oh, yeah, that's what they do to try to sell it. That's what they do. They try to sell it to you. Hey.
You see?
Oh, look at her falling over. You mad, girl? You about to get in your box, too. Y'all all couldn't fit in there. You didn't even have to get a look at her, y'all. Over there doing the most. You ain't even have to do all that. She like, I'm ready to go. Huh? You are on that one. On my wheels. Yeah. It's alright, it's alright.
If you want a baby, you can just go to babykidsunlimited.com. You can check out her Facebook at Baby Kids Unlimited Reborn Nursery.
That's right. In my Instagram.
If you want to see what she be doing on Instagram, you can go to Baby and Kids Unlimited.
TikTok.
Baby and Kids Unlimited.
Pinterest.
She don't got one. She do not got Pinterest. She do not got one.
Why you don't think I have a Pinterest?
Because you don't even.
And now, if I show you I got a Pinterest, I want $20.
Why you always
Deduct
trying? Dang, why you always trying to gamble something?
Because you don't believe me.
You always
If I show you I got a Pinterest, I want $20.
You know $20, so you go upstairs and make an email address and the password.
No, you can look and see when I signed up.
I'm not gonna do all that. I'm gonna keep my little $20. I'm gonna go get me some Wendy's.
Because
And I'm gonna make sure they put.
Why?
some
Because
sauce
you know
in
your
it.
mother don't lie?
No, but you don't lie.
No.
You don't, Mom.
Niche.
Mom.
Niche.
Mom.
Niche.
You don't lie.
No. What I lie about?
I ain't even going to expose you.
Whatever.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
I do, yes.
All right, my woo babies, my woos. See you later. Oh, see you later. Hey, see you later. Oh, see you later. Hey, I will see you later, later on the next video.